table. My parents don't allow him to go on the table, and whenever they're missing, he's like, oh my god, I'm going on the table. Hello, lovely people. Today, I thought I would do a little get ready with me. I'm currently visiting my parents. I'm gonna be here in Bulgaria for 2 days. Not 2. Definitely not 2 days. I'm gonna be here for 10 days. So, yeah, I'm gonna spend some time with my family. And today, I thought I would do a quick and easy get ready with me. We're going out in a while. So, yeah, we're gonna do something really simple. My parents are currently not at home. My dad is at work and my mom is out with my grandma running some errands. So yeah, once they're all back home, we're all going out for a walk together. You can imagine that I'm gonna be doing something really simple on my face today. I don't wanna go full glam. I just wanna look more alive, I guess. So I'll start off by priming my face. We drove from Athens to Stara Zagora yesterday. It's about 10.5 hours. So I was in the car for 10.5 hours with air conditioner on, and I think that really dried out my skin. Maybe it's just in my head, I don't know, maybe it's the idea, but I feel like air conditioners really dry out my skin, and I'm feeling that it's really tired today. My skin is really lifeless. So I did a really good moisturizing session in the morning today, and now I'm priming and hydrating with this primer here, using this one. It smells like watermelon. Next up for foundation, I'll mix the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 110 with the shade 115, and I'll just start applying it on my skin. I will first use a brush to apply it, and then I will blend everything out with my sponge. Let me just really quickly put my hair in a ponytail because it's really annoying me. I forgot to take bobby pins from home, and I only have this one with me. So I need to try to manage my hair with one bobby pin. Now that's a challenge. And I don't have any hairspray today with me. I came so unprepared here. But I'm coming home, you know. Oops. I'm coming home. I don't need to prepare myself for coming home, right? This is where I grew up. This is the house where I spent most of my childhood. I mean, not most of my childhood, my entire childhood. So I'm taking some more foundation on that sponge, and I will apply it just in the areas where I feel like I need a little bit more coverage. I'll try to kind of tame my hair with some brow gel. I know, I'm trying to work with whatever I have, you know. Looks like it works. Now that I have the brow gel in my hands, I will also run it through my brows. And I'll fill them in with the Sigma Color and Shade Brow Powder Duo. I have this case for brushes by Zoeva. They also have some travel-sized brushes inside. But it's so cute because inside I have all of my travel-sized brushes. And they look so adorable. Look at them. They're also tiny. I also have some travel-sized brushes by Nabla here. But it's so convenient to take small brushes like this when you're traveling. It saves you so much space. So I'm gonna take my angled brush. This is actually by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm gonna take a mixture of those two colors and fill in my brows. There is a kindergarten like 100 meters from here, and I think that because the weather is kind of warm, they took out the kids in the garden to play and have fun, and you can literally hear them screaming and playing and all of that. I just realized that you may be able to hear the kids. So sorry about that. I closed the window. I don't think that you're able to hear them anymore. Look at Leo. Look at you. He literally stares at me doing my makeup. He's so cute. I think that I'm getting distracted by so many things because this is the first time that I'm doing a video where I'm doing my makeup outside of the studio. And it's so much fun. I don't know. I enjoyed so much. So now I'm cleaning my eyebrows because I feel I want a little bit more heavy with them this time. No. Please, no, not my brushes. I quickly primed my eyes. I'm gonna do something really simple today, as I already said in the intro. This is the Tartelette Roasted Palette. Tartelette Toasted Palette. And I'll take this first color here and use it to set the concealer which I applied as my primer today. Again, I'm using one of those little travel-sized brushes. This is the Zoeva 228. And now to add some definition in my crease, I would take this color right here and blending it in my crease. I want to include my usual zoom in window of my eye because it honestly, guys, it takes me so long to edit and I don't want to spend hours editing this video here. I just want to spend some time with my family. But once I'm back in Greece, it's going to be back as well. I promise, it's just for this video. I like this color in my crease. I'm almost certain that Zoeva also have a full-sized version of this brush. But the travel-sized one, it's so convenient. And it does exactly the same job as the full-sized one. No difference whatsoever. I call this crease contouring. It's like contour for the crease. I used the Nabla Precision Shader brush to kind of buff it out and really make sure that it's as blended as possible. So next up, I'll go ahead and do a winged eyeliner. I'm using one by NARS. I messed it up. I love this eyeliner because it's really long lasting on me. However, I feel like the tip is a little bit more dry, so it's kind of difficult to apply and it's drying out pretty quickly once you apply it on your skin. And it's, I don't know, I love how it looks. I like that it's a very dark black color, but it doesn't just glide on. It just requires a little bit more effort. He's back. Now I'm gonna add some concealer under my eyes. Oh, my under eye area is so dry. And my lips, I'm applying balm and like 10 minutes later they absorb everything. And I need to apply again. This is not my favorite lip balm. My favorite is by Lano Lips, but I forgot it at home. I started packing last night at 11:30. I'm doing a vlog. It's coming up, I think, right after this video. But yeah, I started packing at 11:30 at night. We had to wake up at about 6 o'clock, so yeah. That was one of the reasons I forgot half of my things. I'm gonna use a lot of concealer because with so dry under eye, it will crease really quickly. Now I'm gonna contour my face. I'll go with this Huda Beauty Tantour in Fair. Just gonna take it on this Fenty Beauty brush. I'm gonna use a very light hand with this, although it doesn't look like I do. I definitely used too much. I'm gonna spend some time blending it. Just pressing it with that brush. This is the Fenty Beauty 180 brush. It's meant to be used for concealer, but I'm using it for my cream contours. I find that it works really well with those. Just adding some of that right here. And here I'm gonna use my big foundation brush to blend it out. And also some blush. Now I'll go ahead and curl my lashes. And for mascara, I'll use my Hourglass Caution Mascara. I had two of those at home. The one was really dried out. I've been using it for months. And I had one more which I just hit open like a few days ago. Guess which one I have here with me today? The old one. This basically has nothing inside. I used it all. It's okay. Trying to work with whatever I have. Oh, hold on. I think that I can save the situation. Here's where I usually receive my PR packages, and I got a new one by Tarte yesterday. My mom got it and they had this mascara inside, and I've been dying to try it out. Look at the packaging. It looks so unique, so pretty. So let's try it out and also coat my lashes with some fresh mascara because the one by Hourglass had nothing inside. Kind of late for a second layer of mascara. The first one already dried out and I can't apply it properly. Okay, so what should I do next? Hello? What should I do next? I'm telling you, you want to learn how to do makeup. He has been going around and sitting here and staring at me. He's learning how to do his makeup. I also had some of that eyeshadow under my lower lashes. I'm gonna take some of this shade and I'm gonna kind of use it to blend it out and lighten it up a little bit. I want the eyeshadow under my lower lashes to be really soft, like a very diffused shadow. I also want to use some of this shimmery shade here. I'm gonna take it on a flat brush. This is the Zuiva 234. Add a little bit of it on my eyelid. Trying not to go over my eyeliner and the crease color that I already have on. Just for some shimmers. You guys know that I love them. And maybe some of the shade Sunrise. I need something to highlight my brow bone. I brought with me the mini version of the Dandelion Twinkle highlighter by Benefit. Look how tiny it is. It's so cute. And there is like the tiniest mirror that I've ever seen here. So adorable. I love travel-sized products. They honestly make me so happy. For highlighter, I'm taking the Doe 10 Liquid H2 Glow highlighter. Just gonna bring some of it on my sponge. Maybe that's a little bit too much. I need really little of this highlighter. Now I need to find my mirror. Oh, here it is. This highlighter looks so natural on the skin, you guys. Look at it. So pretty. And on top of it, I'll also add some of that Benefit highlighter. Look at this super tiny lipstick. Next to my lips, so tiny. This one is by Beauty Bakery. And on top, I'll add the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Days Layer. And a lot of setting spray. And this is our final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. This type of video is very different for me. I've never filmed in an environment like this one, but I really enjoyed it. I had so much fun filming today's video. And where is Leo? Here he is. Oh, hello. Hello. Please don't bite me. Please don't bite me. I think he's feeling playful right now. What are you doing? So, do you like my makeup? Leo? Do you like my makeup? Ow! Can I have this? Okay, it's mine. I think he likes my hair. I don't know about my makeup, but he definitely likes my hair. He's very playful right now. I don't want him to bite me or scratch me. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to press the bell button, which is right next to the subscribe button, because if you do, you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!